Hello everyone, welcome back to my trading view page. Let's do a tiny analysis of Bank Nifty. At the moment where Bank Nifty has taken support is nothing but at a pre-COVID all-time high. So this acted as a major resistance prior the break out of this area. So we just it acted as a flip zone. So based on this, if you see on the monthly chart, Bank Nifty has taken a support at this area, and if we mark our zones also, so now this support has post resistance became a support now. And also, even if we make a, this is also a continuation pattern over here, ignoring this one because it is a bullish momentum. So even if we mark, this is a huge buying area based on monthly. Okay, so once if it is taking a bounce from the monthly demand zone, ultimately the target would be like it towards the monthly supply zone, which will be in this range. Okay, so if you see on a monthly view, our range will be this one. Okay, so the thing is like the major support and resistance will be, this is the major support. So sorry, this is a major demand zone and it is a support, correct? And once if it is getting bounced from here, ultimately it will go towards the monthly supply zone, which is in a range of 37,975 to 39,424. Okay, these are the monthly ranges. So before proceeding to this, since it is a huge breakdown here, after a bounce from here, the decision point it could be this one. If we get a strong bullish candle closing above this range, 35,481 to 902, we need a strong bullish closing at least in a weekly time frame. Then only market will proceed towards next 2000 points, which is around 37,975 to 39,424. Okay, and what we see here, this bounce, we can call it as a retracement at the moment until unless the trend is reversing to buy. So for the moment, we will consider this as a retracement for the fall, and this could be the major resistance or a supply zone 35,902, 35,481. Okay, so at the moment when the market reaches at this point, we are in 34,546, we expect a sell off once again from here at least to this point. Okay, this is view number one. Only if we get a strong closing above this, market can proceed further towards this range. Okay, this is based on monthly chart. So after this, we'll get back into weekly chart and see what's happening in weekly. I'm just marking the support and resistance in a different time frame. Okay, so if you see in a weekly time frame, what we see here, again this act as a weekly demand zone once again. So this is the main reason that market has bounced back, because we are in a monthly demand zone as well as weekly demand zone. So even with the major news, it came here. Market has bounced back all the way. It went to this area, and if you see, okay, it came to the area where the market has breached, and again it has taken a minor resistance over here. So based on weekly, what we see here, until unless we get a strong closing over this in a weekly time frame, the market will be sell on rise. So same what we saw in monthly, the same scenario in weekly too. If we get a weekly closing above this range, then only we can see the trend to continue up further 37,930, and this is the weekly range or a next weekly resistance or a supply zone. So at the moment we are here, and this is a huge sell off area. So again, even if the momentum continues, we can expect a sell off from here before proceeding up. But for any reason, if we get a gap down or another red candle in a weekly time frame, there is a high possibility for market to again come back to this range, and we need to see how the market reacts. And this is not a strong bullish candle on a weekly time frame, and so we need to wait and see this week how the market reacts. And in case of any scenario, if market comes here, it might give a minor bounce and you'll try to go up. But if it comes with a huge momentum, even after a pullback, there is a high possibility for market to breach this area and proceed towards the next range. This is based on weekly time frame. And the next possible minor support could be this range. Okay, so this could be the possible range for the upcoming week. This is general view or analysis for the week. I'm not getting into intraday view. Okay, so this could be the levels or ranges for bank nifty for this week actually. And one and only if there is a huge momentum, we can see huge rally on any one side. But based on the positions which is being built, we cannot see huge up movement over this range. Okay, so this could be the possible ranges for bank nifty for the upcoming week. And by chance, if market breaches this area, the next immediate support is at 3419, and I hope we don't cross this area, because if we cross this area, we'll proceed to next range over here, and I hope, looking at the scenario, cannot we cannot predict the market, but we can see what are the different range and levels actually based on the way market has moved up. So even on a monthly view, if you see, there is a huge possibility range for the market to come to this range and hover for quite some time. And let's hope market reaches this area and it bounce back, because it's not good to see. Being a trader, we can catch up whether the market is bullish or bearish, we can earn, but it's not good for the economic concern. If that is the case, market will proceed towards, and as per, proceed towards the next zone, And as per the candle which we see here, this is a huge imbalance candle. This is left untested, so this is one of the concern, like where the market can test this range. I don't know immediately now or later, but there's a possibility for the market to test it once before making a next bullish rally. And hope most of the experienced or non players might be knowing. You can see none of the imbalance candle left untested. This is the only one which is left untested. Okay, this is an additional information, so need not worry for the moment. So if we see, this could be the possible ranges for bank nifty. So for the moment, like if anyone is doing option trading, these are the good levels where they can grab a maximum points compared to an option buyer, because market is very volatile, and they need to be very careful with the positions. Okay, I will come up with another video for intraday analysis. So this is an overall view for bank nifty for the upcoming week. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you have any queries, kindly please um, post in the comments below. I will try to give you maximum information whichever I can give. And my analysis is purely based on supply and demand zone, and market reacts very well for these zones. And I don't rely much on any of the indicators. So this is my view. Thank you.